Hey, glad you're here. If you've ever wanted to bring static characters or objects to life with smooth, natural movement, the Puppet tool in After Effects is the perfect solution. Whether you're animating a cartoon character, making a logo dance, or adding subtle movements to an illustration, this tool makes it easy to create realistic motion without complex keyframings. Before we discuss the Puppet tool and its use, let's ensure you have After Effects installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check the link in the description. It'll take you to Adobe's official site where you can download the latest version safely. How to download and install Adobe After Effects. Getting After Effects set up is quick and simple. Just follow these steps. Go to Adobe's official website, link in the description, and sign in or create an Adobe account. Locate After Effects in the Adobe Apps list and click Free Trial to start downloading. Install Adobe Creative Cloud, which will manage the installation for you. Once installed, launch After Effects, and you're ready to start animating. The free trial gives you full access to After Effects motion graphics tools, including the Puppet tool, so you can experiment before deciding if it's the right fit for your projects. How to use the Puppet tool for realistic character animation. Now that After Effects is installed, let's go over how to animate a character or object using the Puppet tool. Import your character or object. Open After Effects and bring in a PNG, AI, or PSD file with a character or design you want to animate. Select the Puppet tool. Click the Puppet Pin tool in the toolbar. Shortcut Ctrl+P, CMD+P. Add pins to key movement points. Click on important joints like the head, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, and feet to create puppet pins. Animate the movement. Go to the timeline, move the playhead forward, and drag the puppet pins to create movement. Refine with Puppet Starch. If parts of your character distort too much, use the Puppet Starch tool to stiffen those areas. Use smooth keyframes. Select your keyframes. Right-click. Keyframe. Assistant. Easy Ease. And create natural motion. Loop the animation. If you want continuous movement, enable expression loops to make the animation repeat seamlessly. You can turn a static image into a realistically moving, fully animated character with just a few adjustments. Before you go, if you haven't installed After Effects, click the link in the description to download it now. Having the latest version ensures you get all the newest animation tools and improvements. And if you're looking to level up your motion graphics skills, subscribe to our newsletter. We send out exclusive animation tutorials, software discounts, and expert tips straight to your inbox. The link is below. Also, if you want to explore another must-know After Effects feature, check out the video in the top right corner where we cover how to create 3D text animations for cinematic effects. That's it for today. Have fun animating with the Puppet tool, and I'll see you in the following tutorial.